Are you confused about speed means performance related problem in your website? And today I'll show some pain point and you will fix these issues, then you can boost your speed means performance. Okay. Now I'm show the some example and this is our technical part. When I search Orrgo.com in Google search, but then Google will show the result. First of all is my, and now I'm counting. And first let me show basically to take this website like you have like your website full oil optimized, and today I'll basically discuss this about first section, and second is not all optimized. Your website not all optimized, then you first need to optimize your website, then you can boost your speed means performance. But most of the website owner like local website owner facing these issues, yeah, they are website full all optimized, but they are website not loading, spending more time to loading than show the some dashboard. Okay, now I'm counting and two capsules. What is data basically tool provide? Basically I'm check my website link in provide, and then Google like page checker show the result, and I'm manually check means my brainstorming check in how many time I spend in my website. Okay, now I'm counting like I'm click this website one, two. Okay, my page is loading and I'm go to the any service sections like on pages, and I'm counting one, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Almost I spend 9 seconds and then loading and then show the dashboard. And when our user come to our website and go to the any service or any pages, then they are spend almost 9 over then 10, 12 seconds. Then we are lost our traffic means our user are confused and they are not feel lose good, and our website increase bounce rate. Okay, how to fix? Okay, I will show the another example. I'm go to the page speed checker. Go to the past website provided by Google page speed inside and enter my website link. Okay, what is this data? Basically page speed inside provide. Okay, now we are analysis, then we can easily understand. Basically our website is optimized means loading like main dashboard landing page almost 1 2 seconds, that's good. But when we are go to the any pages sections, then our page almost spend I spend 9 to 10 seconds, and it is not good. And what is your data now provide? Now I'm check, and always I say about brainstorming. Brainstorming is so important. Okay, look at this. Our website performance 98. That's good. And look at this. Our website full oil optimized. Okay. And look at this. Page speed inside basically provide 98 performance our website performance, and this is the fast content footprint. That means how many times any user click our website, then how many times loadings. Their ad is from 1 for 1 second. That is good. But when I go to the any pages sections, then I spend almost 9 to 10 seconds. That's not good. But these tools provide 98. That's good because we are use any themes like WordPress, OX, and another themes. Then these types of tools means plugin optimize your speed so that but this is our in-depth problem means our websites all optimize, everything's good, but the main issues is our in-depth means our coding. When your website, sorry, if your website full all optimized but you are facing these issues means loading related, then you need to hire any developer, good best developer, then he fix this issue because we are not fixed because we are organic marketer. But you are local business owner, you need to fix because it's our kill our ranking, because our website full oil optimized all structure, everything's good, but the main issue is our page and our means our ranking organic marketer main part is facing part is about related technical errors. Then this is our technical parts, and we are fix these issues, then we can start our layers impressions, because most of the website, even my website, is getting more impressions but not list. The main reason our website not oil optimized but not good speed provider. Okay, and how to fix these issues? I'm so the two ways. My offset not I another way I don't boost the speed, and the main reason I'm using infinity do free app means they are this is the hosting provider and they are domain means hosting, everything is not good. This is our server problem. Okay, when you are buy some domain or hosting, then I prefer even Google and another AI tools like ChatGPT provide hosting and Namecheap. This is the best hosting provider your website, and when you buy new domain, I prefer these two website, then you can easily boost your speed related problem and not facing this problem, because our website full oil optimize, everything's good, but the main issue is our technical errors, and this is our server related problem. Okay, I hope you understand what is the main problem. There are two types of your server is good but not all optimized, then you need to optimize your website, everything's properly understand and code it, and then oil optimize your website, boost your performance, but our website oil optimized but facing these issues about speed related problem, then you need to change your domains or server, because this most like my website face these issues because its problem come from server, and this problem our main server, then we can't face these issues. I hope you got it, and this is the main issues. I hope you understand, and you face these issues, then you can boost your traffic. Thank you so much. Was this video?